Guys, I have recently made this website using AI platform. I have inserted CPA link on this website from CPA Grip Network. This CPA offer is only allowed on Apple iOS in Australia. When user from Australia click on this button using Apple iOS device, then they will be redirect on the CPA offers landing page. When that user will install this TikTok app and open the app for 30 seconds, then CPA Grip may create your account with the payout zone for this offer. If you want to learn how to make this kind of website and how to insert CPA link on this website, then after watching this video you can watch my previous video, link in the description. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get traffic on this website. But quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. Let me show you how you can get traffic on this website. Guys, you can visit on Quora platform. Let me show you my stats. Guys, you can see my content and stats on Quora platform. Here you can see overview. Here you can see views. My content has got more than 120,000 views. And here you can see my contents. Let me show you how you can get visitors from this Quora platform. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can visit on Quora platform. You can continue with Google or you can continue with Facebook. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click here. Now you can click on create post button. Now you need to type your articles. Guys, you can use ChatGPT platform to generate articles. You can see this website is related to TikTok platform. I'm going to generate articles related to TikTok. You can type your prompt. Now you can click on this button. You can see ChatGPT has generated articles related to TikTok. You can use these articles to create posts on Quora platform. For example, you can copy these articles. Now you can go on Quora platform. You can paste here that articles. You can type your read more. You can select this text. You can click here. Now you can click on this link icon. You can paste here your website URL. Here is showing website. Here is showing URL of this website. Copy this URL. Now you can go on Quora platform. You can paste your website URL. Click on add button. Guys, you can also upload your image. You can click here to add image in this post. Now at last you can click on post button. Yeah, here we go. You can see my post has published successfully on Quora platform. Here is showing clickable text. When user will click on this text, then they will be redirect on this website. Guys, Quora is the most popular platform. You can use this platform to get traffic on your website. You can also get traffic from this platform. You can visit on Ads Spot platform. Here you can see creative ads by Australia Post. You can see lots of people has created post on this platform. You can click here to view this post. You can scroll down. You can click here to submit your advertisement. Guys, you can also visit on Ad Post platform. This is a best popular platform. You can get targeted traffic from this platform. You can get traffic from United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Ireland, Australia, New Zealand, and there are many more. You can create account on this platform and then you can click here to post your advertisement. Guys, if you want to learn CPA marketing, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.